Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel Oscam. Today I'll be reviewing a dash cam which is made by Navman. It's called Mivue 730. That's been available in Australia, all the shops, electronic shops. So I've decided to buy one and share my view and show what is in the box to my subscribers or anyone out there who wants to know about it. So let's have a look what we have and what we get and the pricing. And from outside it looks pretty good. It has a GPS tracking, a full HD, 1080p video recording. You can rotate the camera, of course you can do it with every cameras. Optimizing the day mode and night mode, even recording. And then you got G sensors, which is if you crash the car, you don't actually have to press the button to save your files. It will automatically save it to the memory cards. It's been built into screen, and you can take a photo as well. And let's have a look what is in there. It's nice effect. Yeah. Get some exclusive offer to buy a GPS information. Don't need that. User manual 700 and 730 Mivue. There is some clipboards as well. So that's the camera here. Very nicely packed, as you can see. It tells you a story because this will definitely be made with a passion, because it's a Navman. It's a good brand and we are familiar with that. They always makes a good GPS. So if they're making a dash cam, it has to be good. There. Otherwise they're going to jeopardizing their brand name. They don't want to do that. It's a suction cup to hang it in your car, and a car charger. It doesn't come with a computer wire to connect it to the computer, but I don't think these days that's a problem. If you put a micro SD or SD card, you can always transfer the file. So as you can see what we get. So let's put away stuff that we don't need it now, and let's have a look what's inside this camera, what this can do. So it has a 4 button there, and it's SD card slot, and that's the charger. That's the one I can see here. As you can see, it's that's the charging, and yeah, that's all pretty much. So let's get it. Now let me get it started and see how the settings are like. So it's asking for SD card. Okay, no problem. I'll put SD card. I have one. It doesn't come with SD card, so I have one mine. There you go. So you can see here, it's like so easy to understand. That's the power button, and that's the other buttons that we will be using. So now let's have a look here. What do we have? So file playback, which is it's very easy. It's just a file playback, sound recording. If that's the OK button, I guess, and that's up and down. So if we want to go sound recording, we go down, press OK. on, off, easy. You can go up and down to change it. And then the video recording, press OK. You can do video clip length, which is okay, video record. And I gone back. Sorry, I gotta go here again. The video recording, go OK. Video length should be OK. That's right. 1 minute, 5 minutes, or 3 minutes. So I think 3 minutes is pretty good. 3 minutes should be better because it's not too long and it's not too small. 3 minutes, is it 3 minutes? Okay. Then you go frequency. I don't think we need to touch EV, frequency, none of that. G sensitivity. Okay, one second. What is EV? Well, let's have a look. You can select that. So you can actually set either 0 or minus or the plus. You can. That's a good thing. If you need it, you can always do that. Frequency, I don't care. G sensor, if it is on, then if you involved in an accident, it's a low sensitivity. So if you're involved in an accident, it will automatically save your files, so you don't have to do it manually. Stamp, okay, let's have a look at the stamps here. Coordinate or G sensor. So if it is in G sensor, it will automatically, if it is coordinate, then it will go through the system. Okay, I'll just have a sensor. Yeah, speed stamp, it does a speed stamp, so it will record your speed. If you put it on, yes. If you're not, then it's not going to do it. You can put it on and off, up and down. You can put a text on your video that you are recording on that. So you can just write a text or whatever you want to show up on top of it. So you will do a text. Look at system. It's a satellite, date and time, which is everybody knows how to do it anyway. System sound. All right, let's have a look at that one. On, okay, on or off. All right. Volume, you can go up and down, of course, I guess. Volume, yes, up and down. LCD standby, always on. That's the LCD screen is talking about. 10 seconds, you will have a screensaver, or you can other setting you can do, but I always prefer always on. Anyway, I got next language. You can select the languages. Yeah, languages, there's a few options here for the languages. As you can see, English, French, Chinese, Korean, and all this. All right, let's go back. Distance unit, you can have distance unit, either imperial or metric. Okay, you can see like whatever suits you, whatever area you are in. Storage allocation, it gives you information about the storage as well. It's actually giving the information of what is my SD card is. So if it is empty, it's going to show empty SD card. So go back. Restore to default, then it's all the settings going to change. The version is always here. So the version. That's the version. And there it's very clear now. Firmware, it says there. Okay. Now satellite, date, time, we've seen all that. So one thing is missing on that in this dash cam, I can see it's in a parking mode, like the motion detector. It doesn't have a motion detector. So this camera has everything you need pretty much, and it has more than that, but it doesn't have, on this brand, it doesn't have a motion detector. So if you are in a parking and you're going to the shops or something, and it's not going to detect any motion and record anything, that's only a good feature when you are not around the car. But any dash camera that I've used, from my experience, they all run out of battery in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, it's going to run out of battery. So after 15 minutes later, whatever is happening, it will be out of battery. It's not going to record the motion. It will only record for 15 minutes. So in my point of view, unless you are connecting to your car battery, that's not worthless. So if you are looking for a cheap navigator, on not cheap, I would say like a moderate price navigator, the dash cam, that's the dash cam that I would recommend. That's pretty good for the price, and the settings is already looking from Navman, it's already looking very good. After using these products for about 3 weeks, I've been using about 70 hours a week, and as you can see, the daytime footage, the nighttime footage, and the rainy day footage, that's pretty impressive compared to the price that you're gonna pay. And I highly recommend you buy one if you like it, and in a really hot day, and it works without any problem. Only problem I've had with that in 2 weeks, that it froze twice, and I waited till the battery runs out, and then it just worked. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you like my video, please subscribe and put that like button, and if you have any question, you can always leave a comment. Thank you very much.